It's called elephant toothpaste.
So first, we need to pour half a cup of the hydrogen peroxide into this cup.
Which are gonna be 2 of these, which hopefully I don't pour all over myself. So we need 1 more of those.
And then after that, we need to add our dish soap. 1 tablespoon of dish soap.
Okay, now so let's do this.
Let's add a little bit more because I think some of it fell out. Okay.
Now for the next ingredients.
And then, we should have added the hydrogen peroxide. You're supposed to add.
And now we're gonna add a few drops of food dye.
Let's do teal. Close.
Now the dish soap is already blue, but we added some blue food coloring to make it more blue. So
After that, we need 1 tablespoon of yeast and 3 tablespoons of water. So we gotta add that in.
we need warm water.
Yep. And then yeast.
Wait,
So-
warm water or yeast?
Let's do yeast and then warm water. Okay, wait, let's use the other side, because that one's wet. Put it over
So
there.
right now we are using black lime yeast.
Okay.
And we're gonna use warm water to add.
No, add in this first.
Why?
Because that's what the thing says. Okay,
Okay, so we have the lime yeast.
and then, okay, and then we use
Warm water.
3 tablespoons. Okay, put it in the other side of it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. So this should be activating our live yeast.
And then mix them, stir for about 30 seconds. This probably ain't gonna work very well because we accidentally added the dish soap. There was accidentally dish soap in it first. But we still gotta try. Think it's been about.
Yep, it has.
Okay, let's add.
Okay, now,
Wait.
what's our next step?
We get it. Oh, that's warm. That's really hot.
Now for our next step.
Pour the yeast mixture into the bottle.
So now we're going to be pouring the yeast mixture into this bottle, and it should create the thing.
Okay, quickly step back after we finish, okay?
Well, we're going to try to bend it so it can fit in good. Or else it might not work for us.
Last first. Okay. Ready?
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Move, move, move.
Hey, it worked pretty well.
Okay, so now it's very foamy and cool, and this very foamy.
Yeah, and look, it turned blue. We probably should have put it in something first.
Yeah. Touch it.
Oh, that feels nice.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to go and rinse this out. Oh, it's still going. No, it's still going.
Okay, so after we rinse this out, which we are going to be back soon, we're going to do it with different models and different types of mixtures. So just come back for that.
with body wash. So let's once again add our
hydrogen peroxide.
Okay, now
So we are back again at MoLab camp.
and so we are going to add our hydrogen peroxide. Okay, now we have half a cup of hydrogen peroxide in there. We are going to add our food dye. Let's do pink this time. Okay, now we're gonna mix that around a little bit. Okay, so next, next we are gonna add a tablespoon of body wash. Actually, wait, no, we're gonna use a generous squirt of body wash. There is our body wash. Let's maybe add a little bit more.
Okay, so next in your separate bowl that you have, we're gonna pour how much yeast? Pretty sure 1 tablespoon.
And then 3 tablespoons of water.
And this is also live yeast, so that should be
1 tablespoon. A little more. Little more. Okay, there you go. That's 1 tablespoon of yeast.
Yep.
And now we are going to add 3 tablespoons of our hot water.
1,
2,
3. Okay.
and now we're going to mix it up.
For 30 seconds. And now it has been 30 seconds, so
No.
I counted.
Okay. But I'm making sure all the clumps are gone.
So now we are about to add our yeast and water mixture to the other mixture. And this is going to create the explosion of the toothpaste. So, wait, can I add it this time?
Okay, wait. Let's put it away. Okay, let's put it like there and there. Okay.
Okay. So now we're going to add our hot mixture.
Red. As you can tell, it worked better than last time.
And it also looks very, very purple.
It looks like it went up
Oh, this is
about
purple.
2 inches.
So
This time.
this is our new record. Yeah.
Look at all this film. It looks like a volcano.
And it's so foamy.
Okay, so here we are back again, and we're
about
doing
to add our hydrogen peroxide, which is going to be 2 tablespoons.
2. Actually, it's gonna be.
2 cups.
No, it's half a cup. So,
Half a cup.
1. Stop.
2.
My hands are very shaky.
Okay, so now we're going to add our
Food dye.
So what color should we add this time?
Let's do pink. Oh. Okay, now we mix that around a little bit.
And then we add the
Laundry detergent.
Yep. And how many tablespoons is that?
Let's do it. Why don't we just pour it in?
Yeah.
There we go. That looks. Let's add a little more this time to see if we can get a higher reaction.
And now we add
Our yeast.
how much yeast?
1 tablespoon of yeast and 3 tablespoons of warm water.
Okay. Okay.
1 tablespoon of yeast.
And 1 tablespoon warm water, which is actually pretty hot right now.
Yep. And then we mix it around until there are no clumps.
30 seconds.
are no clumps left in there.
You're still, Okay, and after we finish doing that, then we're gonna add this to that.
Ready?
It's a different smell.
Anywho, ready? And looks like about an inch again.
Like a centimeter.
No, it looks like an inch.
Okay, so now we are finished with this experiment. This is our third one.
What does it feel like?
It feels like foam.
So now it feels like hot foam. It's very warm.
Yeah, it feels nice actually.
Okay, cut.
Hi, we're back, and here we are going to do it this time with shampoo. So first, obviously, we have to add our hydrogen peroxide.
It's going to be a half cup. So we're going to have to add 2 of those.
Okay, and then next we add,
Color. We're going to add green.
this time we're gonna add a beautiful lime green.
And now we're going to add a generous amount of shampoo.
So make a big old squirt.
That should be way more than enough.
And next we have to add warm water and yeast. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of yeast. Why don't we add a little more this time?
Yes.
So that,
We have a good. That means we need a little more water.
yeah, so we did 2 tablespoons of that. So we're gonna do 6 tablespoons of this. Actually, wait, no. We have to do 3 tablespoons because it was only enough.
Okay,
1, 2. That's good. 3.
We stir that up for 30 seconds and then we're going to add it to the
Yeah. We're gonna need to do it. We still gotta make sure that there are no clumps.
Okay, it's been 30 seconds, but she's making sure that there is no clumps left so that we can pour it into the mixture without messing it up. Okay, now it is time to pour.
And
Also, this is a very strange, weird smell, but hopefully it'll be okay.
oh, that's way better. That's like 2.5 inches.
Yeah, so that concludes our project for the shampoo, and we will see you very soon.
Hey, we're back, and this time we're doing it with hand soap. So
We're about to add our hydrogen peroxide, which is going to be a half cup.
there you go.
1/4. And another 1/4.
Which equals 1/2 of a. Okay, next we add food dye. Which color should we use, Vivi?
I don't know. How about we use a mix between these 2 colors?
Okie doke. Can I do one?
Yep. You do purple, I'll do the pink.
Let's do 3 drops of it. So now we have our hydrogen peroxide and food dye in there. So next you have to add the hand soap.
And we're just going to add like a pretty decent amount.
That should do it. Okay, and next, Vivi, do you want to do the honors?
So now it's time for the yeast. And when you do the yeast in the warm water, you need to do it in a separate bowl.
And let's dump some of the extra water out. Well, here, I'll pour the yeast and you.
Okay, and how much do we add?
1 tablespoon.
Well, actually, let's add 2 tablespoons this time.
Okay. And then 6 tablespoons of water. Okay. 1, 2.
And this is also live yeast, so it's going to activate when I'm going to pour the water in.
Okay, you can pour the warm water. So we're doing 6 tablespoons this time.
Okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And then you stir for 30 seconds. And also you need to make sure you have every single clump out.
Or at least try your best.
Yes.
But stir for at least 30 seconds.
Yes. And then we're going to have to be prepared to pour it into this liquid. And this green and white is from the last experiment.
Okay, it looks like we got all the clumps out, Vivi.
And now it's time to add it to our food dye mixture.
Ready?
Come on, come on, come on, come on!
Looks like about 2 inches again.
Yep. Okay. So it looks like some straw. Like it looks like the ice cream.
Okay. Cut. Okay, so now we finished and we're pouring in our yeast mixture. This time we're trying it with a different container because that's what we did.
Hi, ducks.
It went up an inch this time. Let's put it in here so it doesn't make too much of a...
Hello.
See, it's still going.
you.
It's got an inch on it, man. Okay, so now we have ours with in the Cool Whip container this time. Now we have our yeast mixture. Are you ready to see what it looks like in a Cool Whip container? No,
Okay. I don't know if this is gonna work very well. I mean,
see, it's going up. Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah.
like an inch.
Yeah, it looks like about an inch. And wow, look how cool that looks. Okay, so now we are doing our final one. It is a mix of all the soaps, plus food dye, and our hydrogen peroxide yeast. Ready? So yeah, that went up about an inch too. So that is the end of our experiment. Thanks for watching and tune in next time.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so for the final results in our experiment, we had dish soap go up 1 inch, body wash go up 2 inches, the laundry detergent went up 1 inch, the shampoo went up 2 to 3 inches, hand soap went up 2 inches, the tall bottle went up 1 inch, the Cool Whip container went up 1 inch, and then all soaps in the Powerade bottle also went up 1 inch. For the conclusion to our experiment, we can safely say that even though our elephant toothpaste didn't go as high as we planned, there was still a reaction that we could measure. To make the result better, you could try different catalysts such as yeast, manganese dioxide, rusty manganese metal, and potassium iodide. We replicated this on a fairly small scale, so if you were to also bring up the scale of the sizes of all of the ingredients, there would be a larger reaction. The list of materials that we used were hydrogen peroxide, active dry yeast, warm water, shampoo, body wash, laundry detergent, dish soap, hand soap, measuring spoons, various containers, food dye, and food dye. Thanks for watching and see you next time.